Hey guys, it's my very first video. My name is Destiny, but you guys can call me Panda because this channel name is Panda Plays. So yeah, in this vlog, I guess you could call it. What I'm gonna do is right now I'm just washing my hair because I just got out of the shower. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just do something fun. I don't know, and then we're gonna go to the beach tomorrow, but I will still be doing this vlog. The vlog is together, so I hope you guys understand that. So, yeah, welcome to the channel of Cringiness. Now, what we're going to be doing, guys, is now that I just did my intro, let's get further into it, and I'm gonna start doing, I'm gonna fast do it, so you guys won't have to be watching me, and be waiting because I'm super boring. So yeah.
This time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all
I'm just gonna wash my hands and then put some lotion on. It's just my cringy family. That's funny family actually. Yeah. Hot. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wipe myself. I'm gonna just do this because it's so annoying when it gets sweat on my shirt and stuff. And then I'll just start doing something. So yeah. That's done with my little tutorial of how I look like so yeah. So guys, it is now 10 point, no, why did I say 10 point? It's 10:01 p.m. So basically this is normal for me being up on a Saturday, 10 p.m. It's normal for me. Most people are like 10 p.m. Oh my gosh, but nah. Same old, but on a school day, 10 p.m. I'm cringy. So, yeah, yeah. So, I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna, I'm sorry, I'm cringy, and awkward. Right now, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna just be playing Roblox. Follow me, Sweetie0 YouTube channel with the capital S. Yes, please follow me. And I already have 50 followers. So I'm pretty happy about that. But right now, what I think we should do is we should do a drum roll, please. Eat a popsicle. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. So guys, I now have my popsicle. Yeah, don't you hate when YouTubers, they have a big cake or something like that, and they just put it out in your face? That's why I'm gonna be covering this, okay? You know what, it's fine. Anyways, let's watch some YouTube or something like that, I don't know. So good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm aiming, since we are going to the beach, to fall asleep at 11:30 or 10:30 because it's 10:04 p.m. Finally. So guys, before you remember I said 10 point something. What I meant was 10 point. Now I say point 10:01. Yeah, that's what I meant. Oh my gosh. Anyways, this is good. Let's try to get this video to 3 likes. 3 likes because it's my first video and I bet no one's watching this. This is good. So guys, I'm gonna just watch YouTube. I'll fast forward it because I don't want you guys just hearing me watching YouTube this whole time because get out of here. So yeah, I'm gonna just be watching YouTube, and then I think that it's gonna call a night. So yeah, but I'm gonna fast forward it.
About you, about you, about you, about you. Making the typical me break my typical rules. It's true, I'm a sucker for you. Yeah. Don't
So guys, I just finished Gotcha Life movie. It was 43 minutes, pretty fun and stuff. And now I'm gonna go to bed because it's 11 p.m. like exact from the dot. So I'm gonna go to bed and I'll see you guys at morning. So good night. I'm sorry, I was trying to do a cool thing, but. 1 second, I'm having some technical. Wait, no. I just woke up, guys. I'm tired. Yeah, it's 9:10 a.m. Hair's really bad right now. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly change, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am now ready. I'm gonna have some breakfast. So yeah, let me just get some breakfast. I'm fast. Do it. Okay.
You're the only one of you. Baby, that's the fun of you. And I promise that
Me and my dad are going to go see. Me and my dad are going to see a house we might move into. So yeah. Ow, my God. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. So yeah. See you guys in a bit. Okay, bye. So guys, before we went to the house, we got some Dunkin' Donuts. Right, Dad?
Yeah.
I got a Cosmic Grape Colada. And my dad, he got a bunch of donuts and a coffee. I'm gonna taste it. I haven't tasted it yet.
Let's see, I'll throw it out.
Stickler for quality. The care and the love that goes into growing that product ends when the product's delivered at our store.
That's good, Dad.
Delivers to
Is it?
Stu Leonard.
Yeah, first I taste grape and then I taste blueberry.
Tito's Handmade Vodka is
That's
America's
good.
original craft vodka. In 1995, Tito's set out to build a microdistillery incorporating elements of artisan craftsmanship from boutique wineries into the spirits industry. Pot distilled, made from corn, Tito's is naturally gluten-free, crafted in Austin, Texas, to be savored by spirit connoisseurs and everyday drinkers alike. Tito's recipes, infusion ideas,
First,
Tito's swag.
my dad, he
To learn
said,
more about our story,
why don't you get the
visit
pineapple one?
titosvodka.com.
I was like, I don't like pineapple, right, Dad? Because I'm a very picky eater. So, we're about 6 minutes away, right?
Yep.
5 minutes. So we just went to the house to see, and I don't think we're gonna get it, right, Dad?
No.
Because we had like this heater in the middle of the room, and it was I have baby sisters, 2 twin baby sisters, and they could touch it or something, and they could burn themselves or something like that. And it looked really old, and the rooms on the first floor were really bad. Like, not that they were bad, but they were small, right, Dad?
Yeah.
And there was a basement. It was very old. I did like the floors for the kitchen though. That was nice.
It's not enough.
So now we are going home. At what time are we gonna go to the beach?
Hopefully soon.
Like at 11:30?
See if your mother wants to go to get something to eat before we go to the beach.
Okay. I'll be right back, guys.
Give you their allergy medicine, you're not coughing. It helped.
So we are now driving to a beach, right, Dad?
Yes.
It's not that far. It's only about 7 minutes away.
And I'm
From where
coming
we live.
too.
Yeah, my sister. Say hi, Brianna.
Hi guys.
So,
Oh,
yeah.
and subscribe to Bravery Games, please.
Brianna, you're giving yourself your own shout out.
Yeah.
She's shouting out herself. Subscribe to her channel because she makes a lot of funny videos. Right, Dad?
Even
Yeah.
when it's called Bravery Games.
Uh-huh. So, yeah. Dad, when you put your feet over here, it's colder. It has an air conditioner right here.
Vent.
A vent.
I think. That's it. Did you turn this off over here?
Oh, yeah. I just pressed off. It's only... So, we are very close to going there. Yeah. Brianna, what are you going to do when you get to the beach?
Let's play a little bit with the sand. With the sand, on the
That's fun. What I'm gonna do is I think I would like just put no not put. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go relax like with my feet on the ocean, and then after my feet gets a little warmer in the water, I'm gonna go like deeper in. So because when you first go in any type of water, it gets cold, like a beach or a pool. It's first cold, but then you have to get used to it, and then it becomes super warm. Such a sunny day.
Yeah, and I brought my sunglasses.
You did, Brianna? Show them your sunglasses. Tell them about it. Why do you like it?
Because it's JoJo Siwa. And
What's-
sparkly.
What's your favorite color in it?
Let me see. Pink.
What's your
Oh,
favorite?
and blue.
What's your favorite color in the world?
Sky blue.
Sky blue. We are heading to are 4 minutes to the beach.
You should get some sunscreen, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yes,
Should I get it?
Yeah, same stuff.
Okay. So we might first go like to a place where we could just quickly find some sunscreen, and so we won't get a sunburn or something because it's really, really hot today.
not that hot.
Or Dad, do you think the beach might have sunscreen? Like a little shot? Or no?
Oh, I miss Mr. Pickle.
I remember Mr. Pickle. Mr. Pickles was.
That's smelling like a baby.
I think it's because is it because Rage was he ate it? Not he didn't eat it. He was chewing on it, Brianna. Oh my God.
Mom didn't wanted more space, but I miss Mr. Pickle.
Oh no.
I named it Mr. Pickle because it was a pickle and it was a mister.
Yeah, because it had like a mustache. We found that.
Some glasses.
Some nice glasses.
Really? Why do you need to zoom in? Your eyeballs.
Oh my God! Brianna was first zoomed in, and then when I looked at me, I was like, it was so weird. So now, are we gonna go to the beach first, or?
Why would we go to the beach first? I'm going straight to. I gotta get the sunscreen first before we go to the beach. That's what a responsible parent would do. Like me.
My feet are cold.
Your feet are cold?
So, yeah, we'll get you guys back when we're back on the road to go actual to the beach. So yeah, I'll meet you guys up later.
I can't help but see it's not jealousy, no. Damn, I heard that you and her been having problems. She likes to fight, I guess you both have that in common. Started at the top and now you're at the bottom. But baby, this is none of my business. Damn, I heard that you and her been having issues. I wish you the best, I hope that she can fix you. You'll be calling me the second that it hits. Goodbye, just wanna hide under the covers. Cause no matter what I do, I'll never be like all the others. I'm a little ODD. Most people really don't get me. I'm the girl in the back of the class. Blank stare, don't care, don't ask. I'm a little ODD. I see the way they look at you, but I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. I'm better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. And we can do this together. I bet you feel better when you're dancing. Yeah, yeah. When you finally let go and you slay that solo.
So guys, now we're on rocks. We're gonna try to go all the way up to there, and that island. We walked all the way across there to here, and we've been just doing parkour. I just figured this out today. I'm not just good at parkour in Roblox, but I'm also good at parkour in real life. Romeo, you should have paid. Okay, so
reached it from walking through all of those rocks to a lighthouse. We finally found it. It's beautiful. There's a bunch of lakes over there. Oh, there's rocks over there. It's fine, Brianna. We're gonna keep on trying to walk to see the lighthouse. It's pretty beautiful. The grass is very long. And look how beautiful that modern lighthouse is. And there's even a trail, which is very pretty. Follow me, guys. And then we want to walk through rocks. Anyone home? Anyone home? We're here to see your house. We're in the pond. We're near a pond. I mean, not in the pond. And there's also some ducks over there. I wish like I could just hold them and hug them so good. So now we have to go all the way back.